Hello and welcome to my very first video on Hustle with Zach. I'm super excited to start this journey with you. And what better way to begin than by discussing something everyone is curious about: how to earn money online without any investment. Yes, no upfront costs, just your time, skills, and dedication. In this video, I'll share 7 proven methods that you can start today to earn money from the comfort of your home. So stick around and let's take the first step together in exploring these opportunities. First up is freelancing. If you have any skill, whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing could be a perfect start for you. On platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can create your profile and offer your services. The best part is that you can work on your own schedule and earn money from home. If you're an expert in a specific subject, you can also earn by becoming an online tutor. Platforms like Chegg Tutors and Wyzant allow you to sign up as a tutor. The best part is you can set your own schedule. The third method is affiliate marketing. It's a popular and effective way to make money without any investment. You promote a product through your blog, YouTube, or social media, and if someone buys the product using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The fourth one: if you enjoy writing, content writing is a great option for you. Many companies and websites need high-quality content. You can join writing platforms like Textbroker or iWriter and earn money by writing articles or blog examples. The fifth one: if you're interested in creating video content, starting a YouTube channel can also help you earn money. You just need to choose a niche where you can create regular content. This could be tutorials, entertainment, or reviews. The sixth next, you can earn by selling digital products. If you know how to write ebooks, create digital art, or design templates, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Last but not least, you can earn money by becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you'll manage administrative tasks for clients like handling emails, managing social media, or scheduling appointments. So, these were the 7 ways you can start earning money online without any investment. The most important thing to remember is that success in any of these methods will come through consistent effort. So start today and take your first step towards earning online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.